Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some paintings to share with you today from Diamond Art Gift. They were kind enough to send me 3 paintings to show you all. So we'll start with the little ones. And this one is a little very cute one. It's got a diamond stuck on it, but look, isn't she sweet? So this is a little koala bear. It is a 30 by 30, and if I dig out my tape measure, the actual drill area is 25 by just short of 25 centimetres. It has 23 different colours. It does have DMC numbers and it is a round painting, but I just thought she was too cute to leave. She's absolutely adorable. It does come with a toolkit, basic toolkit, and then look at those colours. So we do have some darker colours, so we do have some 310 in this one, but we have some white and these gorgeous greens and pinks, and then some greys as well, because of course she is a koala. And I'm going to go with a she, because she has flowers in her hair and very rosy cheeks. But yeah, a really nice set of colours for our little baby koala. So that is painting number 1. The other smaller painting, painting number 2, is it this end that it opens or the other end? Oh, it's the other end. This one is also a 30 by 30, so a square painting. This one has got quite a bit of a different colour scheme, but I thought this was a gorgeous family sort of silhouette scene. Beautiful colours. Again, it is a round. It is a poured glue. It does have DMC numbers. This one has 17 different colours. And it is also 25 by 25, more of a true 25 by 25 for this one. I like the way that the silhouette changes colour, where the sort of sun is shining through the gap, and quite a bit of confetti to get that tree. But you do have some solid blocks of colour for the bulk of the silhouette and some blocks in this light behind, but enough variance to keep your interest, that's for sure. You get a standard toolkit with this one, and these are the colours. So we've got some gorgeous orange, yellow, get ready for autumn type colours. So a little bit different to your pinks, but still a stunning picture nonetheless. We do have 310 in this one as well. Symbols are nice and clear. If you have a look at the confetti area, you can tell what all the symbols are. So that's always good, isn't it? Because if you don't know where you're placing the diamonds, then you're definitely scuppered. So that's number 2. And then for number 3, we do have a wordy one, which, depending on the phrase, will depend on whether I do it. It's often the phrase that gets me, but I like this one for the phrase, and I thought it would also be potentially nice something for potential wedding gift. I suppose it depends on who you're giving it to as to whether they would take offence or not. It's also a round. It is a 50 by 50, this one, and the actual diamond painting area is nearer 42 by near again 42, so it has got quite a big border on this one, but the words are perfect to read. So a perfect marriage is just two imperfect people who refuse to give up on each other. It has 21 different colours. They're a lot more muted, this one, but they do come in the bags. So they come in the small bags of 200 rather than the baggies. But as you can see, we have a lot of white, which is the bulk of the background. And then we have some greens, browns, creams, a little bit of grey, and then a little bit of pink as well, which helps to make up the sort of black and white look, but not a straight black and white. So a lot of, let's have a look, where's 819, the pink? Okay, so the pink is in a lot of the sort of around the background to give that more of a, you know, not a solid background look, a subtle background look. In with the lettering, there is quite a bit of greens and a little bit of purples. And then on this one, this darker one, we've got quite a bit of grey. But again, there's a lot of different symbols around it. So if I show you this imperfect part, just because all the background is white, but if you can see, while there is the grey, which is the letter R, there is a lot of other letter symbols around it, and that's what helps give the wording that little bit of depth. So they are my 3 choices from Diamond Art Gift. A little bit different to some others. I'm always on the hunt for things that are a little bit different or that I can see a reason for. So I can see baby nursery, I can see marriage, and I can just see, you know, a very nice autumn family picture. Yeah, it depends what's going through my head when I'm having a look at the website to choose. But I will pop links for all of these 3 down below, provided they are still available. There are many, many more images to choose from, so feel free to hop over and have a look and see what catches your eye. But these ones are all round. But they are all poured glue, which is amazing. And yeah, a couple are done in baggies, and this one is actually in separate little baggies. A little bit longer to kit up, but you could kit up as you went along if you wanted to. It really depends on how you work. But thank you so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.